Hi everyone! Today I want to show you something very special. This is my new plush rocking horse, handmade with soft yarn and lots of love. I designed this rocking horse as a cozy, timeless toy, perfect for a baby room, a nursery shelf or a meaningful handmade gift. It's soft and carefully shaped, so it's look beautiful from every angle. Also, if you add a string or chain to this toy, it can be used either as a decoration for a handbag or as a toy for a Christmas tree. If you prefer written patterns, the PDF crochet pattern for this rocking horse is already available in my Etsy shop. It includes step-by-step instructions, so you can start crocheting right away. At the same time, I'm finishing a full video crochet tutorial for this rocking horse. In the tutorial, I'll show the entire process from the first stitches to the final assembly, slowly and clearly. Right now, this full video tutorial is already available for my channel members. Members always get early access to my new tutorials as a thank you for supporting my work. And I'd love to release this tutorial publicly for everyone very soon. When this video reaches 500 likes and 100 comments, I'll make the full tutorial free on this channel. Your support really helps this video reach more crochet lovers. Let me know in the comments what color would you choose for this rocking horse. Thank you so much for watching and crocheting with me.